घंटा लेट होता ही नहीं तो दूसरा प्रोग्राम में आधा घंटा लेट है. It's fine. It's very very impressive. So first of all, everyone who's here, thank you very much for coming. We'll come share our own experiences and ideas and maybe techniques or whatever जो हम लोग को दिमाग में आता है. So because I'm the host at this microphone, I'm starting it myself. So but to join me, I would want my wife and co-creator Haflong to come and join me. Each and every one of you, welcome once again.
And good evening, everyone. My name is Zevanger. I'm from Fresh Talk channel. Newly joined in YouTube. I have no idea about YouTube at all. And I just want to know how people feelings and how, as you all know, different men have different thought and idea. So I just come here to get own opinions and ideas. Thank you.
मेरा नाम हजारों है. मैं जिला के साथ फ्रेश टॉक में काम करता हूँ. लेकिन नया ही हूँ. अभी ज्वाइन किया हूँ मेरी के साथ. तो मेरा दोस्त है तो मेरे को पता चला कि वो कुछ वीडियो बना रहा है यूट्यूब पे डाल रहा है. तो सोचा मैं भी थोड़ा इसके साथ हेल्प कर दूँ. बस इतना ही है कि मैं इसके साथ काम करता हूँ.
Thank you so much. A very good evening. My name is Gracie. I'm one of them from Fresh Talk. Actually, I don't know anything like US everything.
Hello everyone. Good evening. My name is Sri Somujjal Borboda and my YouTube channel name is Hector Tumon. जब भी आप लोगों को मतलब कुछ भी बुक या तो कोई भी माइल को अगर कभी मतलब गाली वाली देते हैं
for a YouTube channel called Diba Mohan, same I am on it. And I'm also newly I joined this YouTube channel. I also have no much idea about it. So first I'm very thankful to brother Daniel and then brother Sumuran, because after watching you only I'm inspired by you all.
Name is Santi Lady. I'm from secondary school. My age is 11. Thank you. Good evening. My name is Esther Narinamit Farah and I'm enjoying my Sweet 16. And I have also a channel on YouTube, and that is Puti Choral, where I used to post my song. Like whenever I used to sing a song, my sister used to record it and then I used to post it on my channel. Thank you.
Very good evening to one and all. It's very nice to see all these creators here in this beautiful A house. Man, I need a house like this too. I want to stay there with my girlfriend. Okay, jokes aside. So I have a channel named Wayward Boy, and that's me. I haven't really started making content yet, but yeah, but as soon as I
Good afternoon. And my name, as you know, is Haflong, and I'm from a small remote village known as Red Zone. And I'm a type of person, a simple living person, and who always feel proud of myself. Even though I'm nothing, I always feel proud of myself. And I've joined YouTube and I've started creating video since March this year, 2018, 28th of March. And by the grace of God and with the support from you all guys, I've reached 4,500 plus subscribers so far. I have a lot more to say. Oh, I did not mention about the channel's name. And I'm the owner of the soon worldwide known YouTube channel, Talks TV. And this is my channel. Okay, thank you, that's all.
Everyone, my name is Ashmita Shetty. I'm 16 and a good friend of Mr. Welcome to Kumte. And I'm very afraid of public speaking, so I stay away from it. And today is because I have to do it, I'm doing it. Otherwise, I stay away from all these things. And I'm very thankful to him that I got a chance to come here. Thank you, sir.
Hello. My name is Namrosom Kobong and I'm 21 and I work with Lazar Pakungte, that is talks to me, and most of the time a cameraman. And
hello everyone, I am Ankit Azogri, also known as Ankit DC. I have a channel called Explore Production, which I started, I think it's almost 24 months.
Hello everyone, my name is Deepak Bora and I create music. I love to create music. Sometimes I do videos, but I don't do it like I don't do it very often. I like to create music videos with the creators, so that I have a different perception through music and you have a different perception, video wise. So I think showed me some vloggers on YouTube, and so I'll let her speak. What's her journey, and why did you show me vloggers, and what is like how YouTube के बारे में क्या है तुम्हारा idea?
Thank you. Good evening everyone. Jutai, Kelum, Chibai. Okay. So Haflong vlogs, it came into being after I got married to him. Okay, but before I start this very long story, I just wanted to make sure कि आप लोग सब रहेगा तो end तक तो, because more than सुबह का 3:30 बजे तक भी आप देख नहीं सकता है, कभी-कभी तो 4:30 भी हो जाता है. So it was like that. So YouTube was my escapade, and then I used to see so many different kinds of creators. Someone used to vlog about how they make food, as simple as that, and someone would vlog about how to wear a sari, as simple as that. Someone will vlog about I cut hair every day. So such simple content, it really appealed to me. So I always wanted to make videos. लेकिन होता है ना अंदर से, you feel like I'm not smart enough, I'm not good looking enough. What will I say? The scenery that I choose might not be as good as the YouTube videos that I watch online. फॉरेन कंट्री में तो लोकेशन सुंदर है तो हर वीडियो सुंदर हो जाता है, हमारा किचन तो सुंदर नहीं है. सो ऑल दिस केप्ट मी फ्रॉम मेकिंग वीडियोस. सो दैट्स व्हेन आई वेंचर्ड इनटू राइटिंग माय ब्लॉग. आई हैव अ ब्लॉग कॉल्ड ट्रिगर माय पैशन. ओके, एक कुछ ऐड था, इफ यू रिमेंबर, एक बाइक का कुछ ऐड था. बाइक क्या, मस्ट बी सम अंडरवेयर कंपनी. हाँ, ट्रिगर माय पैशन बोल के याद है कुछ, Trigger my passion, okay, kuch हाँ. So one night I watched that ad and I thought maybe I will name my blog Trigger My Fashion. So Trigger My Fashion blog लिखते गया, then I documented what I wore in a day, तो clothes के बारे में लिखा. So then I came back to Haflong, then we went on an adventure. Our whole meeting was an adventure. So we decided, चलो, we met in December. Haflong vlogs कैसा शुरू हुआ, because you might not be aware, but I lived in Delhi, I studied there, I worked in Delhi for 12 years. ठीक है, 12 साल हम दिल्ली में था और I just returned 3 years ago. ठीक है, I was just living an adventure in Delhi, making a lot of mistakes, not studying what my parents had asked me to, and then my parents wanted me to go coaching for UPSC. Haflong जाएगा with my 2 dogs. I came back to Haflong with my 2 dogs. राजधानी में लेके 2 कुत्ता को, हाँ, आराम से, वो भी first class में. हाँ, कुत्ता, the dogs are only allowed in the first class compartment. ठीक है, for that you have to write an application and all that. ठीक है, बहुत मेहनत किया. I came back, then this guy comes to meet me in the station. Then I was in Africa. I like African culture, तो हम Africa घूमने गया. तो उसके बाद इसके साथ फिर हॉर्नबिल गया. Then my father was like, क्या हुआ, तुम घर नहीं पहुँचता? So I showed him. So that's when we got the idea, chalo, let's start our own YouTube channel. Because today while he was playing this video, हम जब अपना video देखता ना, I don't know how you all feel, but I feel like I'm already dead. And the whole music is playing along, like I'm somewhere else reliving this moment in this video. हमको ऐसा लगता है, बाद में आपको भी बोलो हमको कैसा लगता है अपना video देख के, वो हम लोग कैसा लगा उसमें. You point out those things, right? Oh, I should have said this, I should have talked smarter. But the thing is, जैसे कि राहिल जो बोला, random things ना, लेकिन random things make life more beautiful and more adventurous. तो Haflong vlogs का स्टोरी वही है, हम लोग से शुरू करा. Then we wanted to keep it simple also.
Of Haflong vlogs was this is very interesting, which I want to share. When we started Haflong vlogs, idea to क्या था मालूम है कि there will be a channel based on Haflong where all different creators of Haflong will contribute in that channel. Idea to वो था to make it like a local TV. Because we need TV तो यहाँ में local channel तो नहीं है हम लोग का, because होने से भी आगे में तो लोकल केबल नेटवर्क होता है, अभी तो वो भी नहीं, टाटा स्काई ये सब है. टाटा स्काई में अपना चैनल डालने तो बहुत मुश्किल है, you need lots of money. So YouTube was this new space which can become like TV. और तब में तो जियो नेटवर्क ये सब आए नहीं था. I'm talking about early 2015, you know. So
later on, but the first thing I want to say is the best camera or the best thing for us creators, especially who are making videos or who are into the videos and photos and all, is the one that help with you. पहले तो सब कुछ सुना होगा, YouTube में सब लिखता ही है, तो वही है.
The first video, it was a winnowing video, and it was not a pre-planned also. It was a sudden incident, I should say. It was last year, 2017, December. I and my friend this Asmita, we went to with my future, or they are not going to one who is going to be with me. I myself, I have to build myself. So I just do it. And since then, I started to get more interesting on YouTube. And then time goes on. And
अचानक Haflong में जियो आया ना, तो साथ साथ जियो सिम लेके आया. हाँ, साथ साथ में सैमसंग का फ़ोन भी खरीदा. कैमरा बहुत अच्छा रहा. तो उस टाइम में हमारे पास में जो माइक्रोमैक्स का फ़ोन रहा. हाँ, स्क्रीन फटा तो क्या करेगा मतलब.
With the motive of promoting Haflong, like the World Explorer. Basically, I started it with Daring 1000. He was my partner. He is still my partner, but we cannot be together now because he is starting in Guwahati and I am here in Haflong.
Hi.